Hi everyone, we're back here out on the trail. It's Saturday morning and we're at the Wright Brothers Memorial. So we're going to do a little bit more hiking on the Troy section. So Chris, what do we have planned? Chris, where are you? Oh, there you are, Chris. Alright, well I guess I have some catching up to do, so I'll see you at the bottom of the hill, Chris. If you're ever in Dayton, I would highly recommend the National Museum of the United States Air Force. It's free, and I'm not even like an aerospace buff, but it was so fascinating. Allow a lot of time though, because it is a huge museum. If you watched our video that from our hike yesterday, I talked a little bit about going through cornfields and a lot of on-road stuff. You can see pretty clearly, based on where we are, we're not on roads anymore. We're in the Troy section, which I mentioned is 100% off-road, and we are going through parks today, bike trails. So it's a lot nicer doing this than having to dodge cars the whole time.
Well, the forecast said rain, but we were hoping it would be coming later today. But we brought our raincoats, we brought our bag covers, so we'll just keep working through it.
Alright everyone, we are about half a mile away from the end of our hike today. We just went through downtown Dayton as you saw, and we're coming up to the Island Metro Park, which is where we parked. All told, I think we did about 7 or 8 miles today. which is good because I think yesterday kind of kicked our butts a little bit. So we're wrapping up for the weekend. We'll probably be down here hopefully again soon. But in the meantime, if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe so you can see when that next video posts. Thanks everyone.